If you are looking for a video of a cheerful youngster enjoying makeup, please continue to look, because this video is yet another miserable episode of the makeup of a series of unfortunate events. Today's look is our part 2 look of Esme Squalor. If you haven't watched part 1, don't check it out. It's just as miserable as this one. Her second look is from the Ersatz Elevator part 2, where she is at the auction house. She has a pretty insane hat, which looks a lot better than this one, but, you know, I'm not a hat maker or a fashion designer. So today we're wrapping up the Ersatz Elevator and Esme Squalor second makeup look. So I already used Almay TLC foundation. I'm going to take the shade Gunmetal from Urban Decay and put that 2/3 across the lid. And to add a little bit of depth, we're going to take Black Market from Urban Decay and just run that a little bit through the crease as well. Then I'm going to take this taupe-like shade from Urban Decay, Combust, and put that on the 1/3 inner corner. Then taking a bright white shade, this one's from Urban Decay, Polyester Bride, put that in the inner corner as well. Then we're going to take more of the shade, the white shade, Polyester Bride, and put that through the brow bone. Then we're going to take a liquid liner, this one's from Mellow Cosmetics, and run that along the top lash line. Using mascara from Benefit, this is the Real Lashes. Using a white eyeliner pencil, take it along the lower waterline. Using the shade Oil Slick from Urban Decay, run that along the lower lash line. And then the toughest part for me is the lashes. So none of those are going to work, much to my despair. So I'm going to see if I can concoct a false lash illusion with a bunch of mascaras. So It would be better with false lashes, but what are you gonna do if you don't have them? I don't have a ton of false lashes lying around because I rarely wear them, but we powered through. So, taking this contour shade here from N.Y.C. And this eyeliner from the same palette. Tiny bit of blush. Take a lip liner from N.Y.C. I believe this is the shade Vintage. Using N.Y.C Soft Matte Cream in the shade Transylvania. And then my sad attempt at one of Esme's famous hats. My sister actually made the hat head part. I just glued on some feathers. Yeah, she has like multiple of these pheasant feathers, peacock feathers, whatever they are. But these things are freaking expensive. I wasn't gonna spend 50 bucks on feathers. Something like this. Please ignore the sun, it's totally in the way. A little bit better. So, this is the whole hat deal. Credit to my sister for making the hat. Shorty the Dragon Slayer, check her thing out. So here is the finished look minus the lashes. Thank you for watching. Don't check out the blog for more info. Don't come back next week as we finally move into the Vile Village. Do not subscribe. Do not follow the social media links unless you like Tales of Misery. Thanks for watching.